So grabbing the Ace box, I'm first of all going to open the drawer and take out the components that we need for this lab. So I'm going to take a resistor out, I'm going to take the LED, and what I finally need is some breadboard wires. So I'm just going to take out a red one, and I'm going to take out, let's get down to the one that's down there, take out the USB type A to B cable, and then finally take out the red breadboard wire. That's all the key components that I need, so I'm going to put that to the side. Now I'm going to bring back in the Ace box to move the components to the side. So what I'm going to start off with is going to the breadboard, looking at the Arduino Uno. I'm going to put the male from the breadboard wire into pin 9, which is a digital pulse width modulation pin, and I'm going to breadboard the other end somewhere just conveniently within the breadboard. I'm then going to take the resistor, I'm just going to bend this over like that. I'm going to stick in the end, one of the ends here, and then I'm going to stick in the other end there. Okay, so you notice the 9, remember the columns are connected in the breadboard. I'm going to take the LED and take the long leg, which is the anode, so the current's going to flow through that. So I think this is connected, the current's going to flow through there, long leg there, and I'm just going to stick it in to the breadboard like that. Finally then, what I'm going to do is complete the circuit. So again, that column's connected, so I'm going to stick this in here, and then I'm going to take this back, and what I'm going to do to complete the circuit is put that then within the ground. The final step to do then is to take the USB type A to B cable, stick that in here on the Ace box, and then stick the other end, the USB, into either your laptop or your PC.